Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trace images in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to paste this image, for instance, and I want to make this into a vector so I can edit it. Select image trace here, or if you can't find it, it's up here. Select OK. Then you are going to go to the presets and you're going to select whichever one fits it. Just play around with it. For instance, it's 6 colors. So you're going to select the 6 colors. I think this is only the 3 colored one. So I'm just going to select 3 color. Then once it's done loading, you're going to select the expand tab here. You're going to right click and group, and I'm just going to delete that black background. As you can see, now I can edit the colors. For instance, I maybe want a gradient for the background here. And then for this one, I want to select the white color. I can do that because I have made it into a vector. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!